Today we're going to be swapping, no wait, are we? Yeah, we're going to be changing a fuse, a pop fuse from the cigarette lighter. These ones, it's real easy for any coins to fall into the fuse. In fact, let me go ahead and show you. So here is where you would normally plug in your charger, and as you can see, you can put in coins here and they will drop in there easily. But we're also going to check what's behind this Porsche Macan. So we're going to take this one off. It's a nice rubber cover. It's taking a beating, but it's doing its job. I like it. Sturdy. I'm going to follow up with this. This is more of a harder cover, harder shell. Kind of feels like wood, to be honest. All right. Here we have your Bose bass speaker. This would be your Bose bass speaker. Your spare. You know what? Let me take this off. All right. So now you can see clearly we have the spare. We have our jack. Wait, the jack says Porsche Cayenne. Okay. Well, we have a Macan, dude. So I guess. Thanks. And we have here some tools to take off the lug nuts. Let me just take this one off. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. And it's not inflated. I wonder if that's how they come from factory. Let me see. Yeah, no air. Wonder why that is. Maybe some weight reduction. Could be. Apparently someone's been here. Sorry for the mess. Clean this up. Let me see. We have here. So this would be to take off your lug nuts. Oh, this tool is really cool. This, you screw it on so that your wheel can mount with ease. And these, I think this is to hold the spare. Yeah. Cool. What do we have here? Oh, this is a pretty big jack. I like it. Tells you, oh yeah, see? To hold the spare, right here. Hold the spare. It tells you your jacking points. Pretty cool. I like this. I like this jack. And it kind of sits in one spot, so it doesn't like move around, shift around. And I think here we have the battery. Oh yeah. Sweet. I wonder if this is the original battery. Could be. Would it have a date? Should have a date. Somewhere here is going to be the date. If you know how to tell what year this battery is, please leave a comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it. But it is original. I see it here. It says VWAG. Yeah. Now back on track to the real reason why we're taking all this apart. Honestly, you don't necessarily have to take all this off. None of this have to come off. But I like this. I thought to swap a blown fuse on these cars would have been much harder. But honestly, it's super easy. Check this out. You can see a little notch here, so you can put in your finger or fingers. So you just put your fingers, pull. Okay. And then check it out. This comes right off. Just like that. And voila. Sweet. Let's go ahead and research to see which one is the blown fuse. And to find out that it is fuse D as in Delta 10. So let me go ahead and show you here. These trays are like this: A, B, C, D. So it'll be D10. Let me see. I can take this off. Oh yeah, it comes right off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's popped. Right? It has popped. You can tell right there. Look at that. Popped. Alright, so we're just gonna grab a new one here. It's also a 20. Obviously this one is not popped. We're just gonna plug it up. Plug it back up. Bam. Alright, let's go and give it a test. Turn on. Oh. Wait, does it? Yes, it does. Boom. Let's check the phone. All right, see. And it's charging. Perfect. Job done. All right, that easy, guys. Job done. All right, there you have it. And with that, thanks for watching, guys. This little short video on how to swap your fuse, where the fuse box is at, and what's behind the Porsche Macan. See you on the next one. Peace.